Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. We'll be taking a closer look at the Noise Fuse Plus Smartwatch. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First impressions matter, and the Fuse Plus definitely impresses in terms of design. It features a sleek and minimalistic design with a round dial and a premium build quality. The stainless steel frame gives it a sophisticated look, and the 1.43-inch AMOLED display is vibrant and sharp. Now, let's talk about the features and functionality of the Noise Fuse Plus. It comes with an accurate heart rate monitor, step counter, and sleep tracker, helping you keep track of your fitness goals and sleep patterns. Additionally, it has multiple sport modes, making it a great companion for workouts and outdoor activities. The Noise Fuse Plus also includes smart features, such as notification alerts, allowing you to stay connected without reaching for your phone. You can receive calls, messages, and social media notifications right on your wrist. Speaking of connectivity, the Noise Fuse Plus seamlessly connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.3. It also has IP68 water resistance. The Fuse Plus doesn't disappoint. With its efficient power management, the watch can easily last up to 7 days on a single charge, depending on usage. It also has an instant charging feature, so you can get a day's worth of battery life in just a short time. In conclusion, the Noise Fuse Plus is a feature-packed smartwatch that offers an excellent balance of style, functionality, and affordability. That wraps up our review of the Noise Fuse Plus smartwatch. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews.